Okay, so snoring is actually an obstruction of your airway. When you do CPR resuscitation, they want you to hook your thumb into their jaw and pull it forward to clear the airway. So you're going to have to replicate that. So when you lay down, get your bottom teeth to fit up real good into your top, and it helps to make a sad face. Go, make this face. And get your bottom jaw to come forward. And it's going to take a little practice, but it's amazing how well that works. Okay, get back to me. Bye.